Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to obtain the elusive kraken in Fisch. First, your journey begins by venturing into the mystical Atlantis region. To unlock the kraken's domain, you must solve 5 ancient mythological clock puzzles. 4 of these clocks are hidden within different Atlantis sublocations, each presenting a unique challenge to overcome. Successfully completing these will pave the way to your ultimate goal. Once the first 4 clocks are aligned, a crucial 5th clock awaits you deep underwater, near Atlantis's central spawn point. You'll need to set this final clock to its designated red icon. This action will unlock the hidden entrance to the Kraken pool. Remember to equip your diving gear and flippers to navigate the underwater passages safely and efficiently. With the Kraken pool now accessible, your next step is to await a Kraken hunt event. These rare occurrences are announced across the server and are the only times the Kraken will appear. Kraken hunts often happen at night, so you might consider using sundial totems to shift the in-game time and increase your chances of triggering this exciting event. When a Kraken hunt is active, rush to the Kraken pool. Make sure you have truffle worms equipped, as this is the Kraken's favorite bait, significantly increasing your chances. Be prepared for a tough fight. The Kraken applies a negative 85% progress speed effect. A strong fishing rod with high luck and resilience stats will be essential for successfully reeling in this legendary catch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.